Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another tutorial of how to do a very clean cut pads for all types of braid, and also show you guys how to twist from the roots. So we are doing rope twist, and for the size that my client wants, she wants large size rope twist. So the first thing you want to do is to part the hair from hair to hair, and then you're gonna apply your hair jam. For this one, I use the Pure Knits Braid Jam. I'll put the link down below in the description. It gives a very nice clean cut. So after applying, you're going to take your comb, you're going to pat the hair again. That is what gives it the clean look. So you're going to clean up your part after applying the jam to the hair. So you're going to make sure you take your time so it's as straight as possible. So after cutting, you're just gonna comb it out. Comb your hair out on both sides, on the one your part that you're about to braid, and you're gonna use your hand to slick it down so that the product can get into it. As you can see, my client is natural, so just cutting the size of the twist. Like I said, she wants large twist, so I'm cutting the large size twist. So I'm making sure the sizes are the same on all part. So you want to make sure it's the same size all through. You want to tuck the rest of the hair away, get your jam again, and apply it on the part that you already cut. So you want to comb the product. Make sure you comb the product into the hair on both sides, and you want to do like a triangle part in the middle of the hair you cut. Apply Shannon jam. That way your jam is inside the hair. The part that you already cut. So now I'm gonna slide it into two. Take your hair. For this tutorial, I'm using the color 30 Honey Blonde color, and then I'm just gonna cut it into two, roll it together, apply it on the hair, twist the hair upward. Make sure you're twisting the natural hair along with it. So you just keep twisting for about 3 times. You're going to take the other side, use your thumb to hold it down, use your other hand to take the hair and place it on the hair, place the extension under it and twist it all together upward, as you can see. So when you're done twisting, you're just going to crisscross the hair and just keep twisting. You want to make sure you tuck your the natural hair under the extension hair. That way it's not sticking out. So you want to make sure as you're twisting the natural hair to the back of the extension hair. So that is what gives it the natural look. So you want to keep twisting all the way to the bottom. And then when you get to the bottom, you're just going to take some few hair, take a little bit of hair and just use it to tie a knot. And if you want, you can also twist it all the way to the ends, but it's not necessary since we're gonna put it into the hot water, and the hot water is gonna seal the hands. And so this is what we have. This is what it looks like. This gives the roots a natural look, and as you can see, our hair is not sticking out of the braids. So you're just gonna make sure you cut the same size, same method for the rest of the braids. And if you're interested in the hair I use, is the expression pre-stretched hair. It's already come stretched, so you don't have to stretch it out. And this is the finished look. I'm just gonna lay them baby hair. She has like a very kind of coarse baby hair, but that is one cool thing about this jam. I use the same jam, has the edge control. I don't have a separate edge control because it does work really good. So just gonna lay her baby hair. She wants some baby hair, so I'm laying some baby hair, as you can see, and just gonna slick it to the back to cover the back. She has some hair loss in the front of her hair, so I'm just gonna use the baby hair to cover it as much as I can. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you do, kindly click the like button. Leave me a comment down below. My Instagram is at soughtout112. My Facebook is at soughout. So I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial. If there is any tutorial you would like to see on my channel, let me know down below, and I will definitely make it for you guys. So it's pretty much very simple. I mean, this tutorial to do, this is one of my favorite style to do. It only took about 3 hours for the large size. So after laying the baby hair, the only thing you need to do is just apply some mousse. Sorry I didn't get that on camera. Apply some mousse. Put some scarf on the baby hair, that way it lays more flat, and then dip the hands in hot water. I mean the hands of the braids in hot water, and that's pretty much it. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did in making it. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As you can see, the part are all the same size and they're clean part all over. So give this method a try and let me know how it turns out. Have a very, very, very wonderful day. Bye.